Basic, we do 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. First thing, I can do a crossbody. 5, I can switch the hand, prepare my follow, give her a right turn. 7, from here I'm gonna do a hairbrush crossbody into inside turn. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Then from here, outside turn. 5, 6. Ask for the hand on the bottom, the right hand. The one that is turning stays on top. Here we do copa. 1, 2, 3. Then from here, inside. 5, 6, 7. Cross body lead. 5, 6, open break. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, and 3. Freeze, B, turn. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 7. Yes? This time, I'm just going to give you the counts. But before we do that, if you do the technique that we cross back. 1, 5. Be careful of doing this. 1, 2, 3. Okay? If that happens, you're telling her we're doing this. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. That's almost what she's understanding if you keep going back. It's a 180. That's what you're conveying to the follow. So be careful going back a lot, because therefore she's going to think, oh, I guess it's a 180, but it's not. It's not a 180. It's just a crossbody. Yes? Yes. Then just counts. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Freeze, B, turn. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. See?